Simple income methods review. Hello friends, I am Sid and today I am here to review simple income methods by Ryan Mack, launching on 9th October 2020 at 10 a.m. EST. Simple income methods is a way to earn money online, and before we get into the review of this product, I'll request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you never miss a review when I come up with review videos like this in the future. Simple income methods shows you how to make money online with 4 simple methods, and each method is different and they will bring in at least $50 per month to $100 per day income. All these methods are complete guide to methods and everything is covered that you need to get started. You will also be provided with step-by-step video training, and you would also be provided with the proof of each of these with income shots and sales pages. And now remember, all these methods do not require list building, Facebook ads, article writing, creating a blog, SEO, CPA, spending money on traffic. All these methods are effective, but it's definitely not required here. So let's move into the members area so that we get to see what's inside and how you can benefit from simple income methods. So here we are in the members area of simple income methods. This is how the members area looks like. So when you make your purchase, this is where you will get all the information that you need to make money online with the different methods that are part of this product. So let's see what all you get. This is basically a welcome video, and then you have a free advanced training where you need to sign up for a webinar, and you can also sign up for all the various upgrades if you haven't signed up for them here itself. That is, the first upgrade is advanced income methods. The next upgrade is little black book of traffic. The next upgrade is one-to-one coaching. The next upgrade is reseller rights, and the next upgrade is your own unique product. So here's the main training that you will receive with simple income methods. The first video is basically an overview of the method. The next video is a $50 to $100 per month method, and the various resources are also mentioned below each video. And this is a residual method, the third video. Here also the 2 resources that are mentioned in the video are listed here. The next video is a $100 per day method, and here also, as you can see, a couple of resources are listed. And the next video is a social media method, and the last video is a conclusion video. You also get a few bonuses like access to the Facebook group, affiliate marketing success, Fiverr Gold, and Bing ads for pennies. You get all of this with your purchase of simple income methods, and you can take advantage of it and start making money online by learning these methods. So after that detailed tour of the members area of simple income method, let's see what you get with your purchase of simple income method and what's the pricing. The front end of the product costs you $12.95, and here you are shown how to make money online with 4 simple but very different methods. They range from earning an extra $50 to $100 a month to making an income of $100 a day. The first upgrade is called Advanced Income Methods. It costs you $27, and there's a downsell of $17 as well. Here you are shown 4 more advanced methods that you can use to bring in big paydays. It includes methods like product launching, domaining, and giveaways. The next upgrade is called the Little Black Book of Traffic. It costs you $37, and there's a downsell of $27. With this upsell, you will get access to the best traffic sources, both paid and free, and this is perfect for driving traffic to your blog, website, or offers. The next upgrade is the coaching, which costs you $77 with a downsell of $57. With this, you get access to the email of Ryan Mack for 3 months, and also a 1-hour one-to-one coaching conversation and collaboration with him, where you can discuss anything with him regarding the product, or just ask anything related to internet marketing. The next upgrade is Resell Right. It costs you $97 with a downsell of $67. Here you can sell Simple Income Methods as your own product and keep 100% of the profit. And the next upgrade is Custom Product Creation. It costs you $697 with a downgrade of $497. Now with this, it's a great opportunity for you to have your own unique product and launch it to make money with it. You will be provided a completely unique product, including sales page and hosting, and you can sell it to make profit. So if you decide to buy Simple Income Methods through my link, I am providing some great bonuses for your purchase. You just need to click the first link in the description of this video, and you will be taken to this page where I have listed all my bonuses. And on reaching this page, remember to click on any of these blue tabs to be directed to the sales page of Simple Income Method, where you can complete your purchase and get all of these bonuses along with your purchase. So let's take a look at what are the various bonuses that I'm offering. My first bonus is 0-hour work days. My next bonus is Lazy Profit Explosion. My next bonus is Easy Passive Paydays. And my next bonus is Bang Bang Profits. You'll get all these bonuses with your purchase of Simple Income Methods if you buy it through my link, which will add even more value to your purchase of Simple Income Methods. Thank you so much for watching my Simple Income Methods review, and till we meet again in the next review, take care. Bye.